Hey everybody, this is Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I'm super excited to let you know what sold on Poshmark the week of April 29th through May 5th, 2018. I just started on Poshmark and I want to tell you what sold this week and share with you all the profits that I've made. Now, I need to preemptively tell you that when you see what I earn on Poshmark, you're going to be like, whoa, how in the world does she make money? But I need to let you know that my cost of purchase for most of these items I get from thrift stores, and it's anywhere from $1 to $3 that I pay for each item. So let's see what my earnings actually were. The first item that I sold on Poshmark is a Banana Republic women's orange strapless top. It is size 12. I sold it for $6. My fees were $2.95 and my earnings were $3.05. My second item that I sold is a Tommy Bahama men's XXL purple button-up shirt. The price we sold it for is $15. The Poshmark fee was $3, and my earnings for this item is $12. My third item that I sold this week is a set of 4 scrubs pants for the busy nurse, size medium. The price that they paid was $15. The Poshmark fee was $3, and my earnings was $12. The fourth item I have is, yes, another set of scrubs. It's a Disney Tinkerbell scrubs, size large. It's brown. It has pockets. They paid $7. And then there was a Poshmark fee of $2.95. And occasionally Poshmark gives shipping discounts, or I can offer shipping discounts, which I did in order to get this item to sell, which made my earnings $2.55. The fifth item I sold on Poshmark this week is a women's patriotic Glimma top 4th of July flag, size small. They paid $6. The Poshmark fee was $2.95 and my earnings was $3.05. The sixth and final item that I sold on Poshmark is a pair of Hang 10 extra large men's swim trunks. They sold for $6. The Poshmark fee was $2.95, which puts my earnings at $3.05. So it may not look like a lot, but remember, I only paid about $1 to $3 for each of these items. So the first week, it looks like I have sold 6 items, which is really good because when you start on Poshmark, you need to gain followers. And so obviously, just starting out, I didn't have a lot of followers, and so I gained a lot more followers as I went along. But on the first week, 6 items for a total of $35.70 for those 6 items. It may not seem like a lot of money at first, but once you start building those followers on Posh, you really start going bonkers on selling items. And so I have some upcoming Posh videos for the next few weeks coming up, and so be on the lookout for those. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.